Hey everyone, it's Becca here, and today I have a special video for you today, how to budget. Now this is highly requested, especially after I let you all know that I'm debt free. I paid off my student loans within 4 months of graduating, and now I'm saving for a rental property. Hey! Number one, know your income. Full-time job, babysitting, Ubering, side hustle. It's pretty self-explanatory. Know how much money you have coming in. Next, you want to know how much money is going out. So what are you spending on your necessities, like your rent, your car insurance, and all of your other bills? And also what are you spending on like miscellaneous like wants, like how much you spend on shoes and clothing and eating out. True story. When I first did my budget, I found out that I was spending $300 a month on eating out. Yeah. And I wasn't going to fancy restaurants, you guys. I was just going to like Chipotle. Chipotle took all my financial aid money when I was in school. No. Stay till the end. I'm sharing my book recommendations. Always keep learning, always keep growing, and reading can help you do that. Okay, so I have my laptop here and I'm gonna share with you a sample budget. This is actually my real budget from February of 2018. So I was still in school. I didn't really have like a job, and so I was just trying to make do with what I had. Okay, so this is my budget. You see it's color coded. I just created this on Numbers. It was a template and I filled in all the blanks. So you can see that I made a list of all of my necessities. So I have rent, gas, my car registration, memory lane. This is my last orthodontist payment because I used to have braces. Thank the Lord that stage is over. Subscribe. Over here in this category, this is what I actually spend on things. So like grocery, for example, my goal was to spend $75, but I spent $107.62 that month. So I went over, but look, it tracks it for you. And then you can see how you did by the end. Now, my very favorite part of my budget is setting goals. So I have my goals here. Like using my Citibank card for gas and eating out, which I pay off later because it's a credit card. I wanted to get my passport because I was going to Cancun that summer. And look at this, find another revenue stream. So writing articles, being a copywriter, my side hustles, all of that. So your budget kind of keeps you organized, and you can even add your goals in here like I did. Or look at this, use cash for eating out. How did I do eating out? Okay, so my goal is $40 a month to eat out. So that's like eating out once a week if I'm spending $10, but I actually spent $60, right? So I probably used cash and then I swiped those last 2 meals on my debit card. Set goals and be disciplined. Now this is the next step because you need to let yourself know, okay, I'm only gonna have $100 this month for eating out, or I'm only gonna spend $150 in gas this month. When you set an intention, it makes it easier for you to achieve your goals. Think back to Creed 2 when Michael B. Jordan was all up in the desert and he was running and he was fighting, he was boxing and he was tired, but he didn't give up. And so that's discipline. He was getting his body disciplined. And so you need to discipline your mind. I need to discipline my mind, and we need to be disciplined with our finances if we want to achieve our goals of financial freedom. Try your best to stay within your budget. I'm not perfect, like we're all flawed, it's difficult. I'm already over my budget this month. Finally, this is important, but to have a weekly check-in. You can do a weekly check-in or a monthly check-in. Personally, I like to do everything on Sundays and see how much I spent the week before, see where I'm at, how much I have left, and adjust my numbers. And voila. That's how you budget. It's so easy to talk about it, but the hard part is to actually implement it and be disciplined. But I have faith in you guys. You're smart, you're ready, and you're willing to learn because you already clicked on this video. Hello. Subscribe. Budgeting is the first step. The second step is saving, investing, and increasing your income so you can actually achieve your goals. Your goals need to be assets. So things that are gonna bring you more money, whether it's investing in yourself, investing in property, stocks, crypto, get you some Litecoin. Some examples of investing in yourself is paying off your debt, maybe take a class to learn how to trade stocks, invest in a camera because you wanna do photography, or even invest in a speech class because you want to learn how to speak more eloquently when you're doing business. And I let y'all know that I was gonna share my favorite financial books with you. So I never read financial books growing up because I was scared of numbers, but this was the very first one that I read. Real Money Answers for Every Woman by Patrice Washington. She is America's money maven. You might see her on the Steve Harvey Show, and she has a Redefining Wealth podcast, which basically talks about how to make your money. The next book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Mr. Kiyosaki. That book makes you think differently about money, point blank. I encourage you to buy it and read it. Here is what it looks like, and all the links to everything I talked about will be in the description box below. If you made it to this part of the video, you're the real MVP. Remember to subscribe right now. Hit the thumbs up because that really supports my channel and gets it in front of more eyes. If you found any value by watching this video, please share it, copy the link down below and paste it into Facebook. Share it with your friends, your mama, your daddy, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your neighbor, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.